In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync tables in Airtable. Syncing tables is really about creating a connection between two sets of information so they can work together. This is especially useful when you have related data, like campaigns and contacts, or projects and tasks, and you want them to stay linked without copying and pasting. First, open your Airtable workspace and head over to your main dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and you can see all of your bases. From here, look for the base that contains the table you want to work with. In this example, we'll be using a base called marketing. So go ahead and click on your marketing base, or whichever base you're using for this setup. Once the base opens, choose the table where you want to create the link. You'll see your usual grid view with column headers at the top. We're going to add a new field that will connect this table to another one. To do that, move to the far right of your columns and click on the option that lets you add a new field. This is usually labeled something like plus add field at the end of your existing columns. When the new field setup window appears, Airtable will ask you what type of field you want to create. Instead of a text field or a number, you're going to select link to another record. This is the key step that allows one table to sync with another, because each cell in this new field will point directly to a record in a different table. After choosing link to another record, Airtable will show you a list of tables available inside the same base. Look through that list and click on the table you want to sync your current table with. This should be the table that holds the related information you want to connect, like a list of clients, campaigns, or products. Once you've selected the table, confirm your choice by clicking on Create Field. Airtable will now add that linked record field as a new column in your table. From this point on, you can start selecting records from the other table to create connections. You may see a prompt offering to create additional fields or lookups automatically. For now, simply click on Skip. You can always come back later and add lookup or rollup fields to pull in more details, but the main sync between the two